In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a goal tracker in Notion. Whether you're aiming to increase productivity or simply keep track of your personal or professional goals, Notion offers a versatile platform for achieving precisely that. By the end of this video, you'll have a personalized dashboard to help keep your goals and tasks organized and visible. Let's start by opening Notion. To begin, navigate to your Notion app or log in through your preferred web browser. Once you're in, you'll need to create a new page. You can do this by clicking on the plus new page option in the Notion sidebar. Creating this page is the foundation on which your goal tracker will be built. With your new page open, it's time to add some structure. Start by inserting a new table. You should name this table Goals. This table will be the core of your tracker, allowing you to list all your objectives. In the Goals table, think about adding columns such as the goal title, deadline, status, and progress, so you can capture all relevant information at a glance. Now, we'll add another layer of depth by creating another table. This one will be named Tasks. The Tasks table will help you break down each of your goals into smaller, actionable steps. Some columns to consider here might be task title, deadline, assigned goal, linking back to your goals table, and a checkbox for completion. This kind of structure ensures every step you take is aligned with achieving your bigger goals. Once you have both tables set up, it's time to enhance them using filtered views. Filtered views can help you customize how you see your information, focusing only on what you need at any given time. For example, you might create a filtered view in your tasks table to show only tasks that are due within the next week, or another view that highlights overdue tasks that need attention. After setting up these filtered views, the key to maximizing your productivity is integrating them effectively into your dashboard. By adding different views to your Notion dashboard, you keep important information at your fingertips without being overwhelmed by unnecessary details. You could have your goals table on one side of the screen and a list of tasks displayed on the other, giving you a comprehensive look at where you stand in achieving your objectives. And there you have it. Within just a few minutes, we've created a goal tracker in Notion, a powerful tool to help guide your journey towards fulfilling your ambitions. By keeping everything organized and visible, you'll find it much easier to stay on track and motivated. So go ahead, personalize it further, tweak the views, and make it really work for you. Remember, the key to success is not just setting goals, but consistently finding ways to track, measure, and update them. Happy planning, and may you achieve everything you set out to.